17. Welcome to how to build stuff, how to build redstone contraptions. So let's go in it. Okay, this is a shelling machine. First, you need to dig down into bedrock layers. Break two of these blocks. This. Place one there, and broke this right there, and then place here, broke that, place there, and then just do it. Done. You done the redstone contraption. Okay, that, and then you just like that, this, like that. Rock the front of it. Place it, dropper, and place like this, and you're done. You're not done. Place this right there. You done the redstone stuff. Now we need to put more detail like this. Wait a minute. You can put more details like this, and done. Can put more details in it. Cool details. Players, it will depend now. Wait a minute. You can put more like this. Just put some stuff in here, like some orange walls, and put some stuff. Spread out the orange walls. So I say, shelling machines. Next up is the microwave. Wait a minute for me to make a wall. Okay, you need to make a wall like this. Say, we'll make a glue a little bit. Sorry about the sneeze. Oh, damn. Okay, you need the furnaces. Well, furnaces. You need a furnace. Some coal block. And this. A dropper. This. A note block. And trapdoor. Yeah, trapdoor. This you need to like this, and dig out 2 by 2 deep like this. 2 deep. Like this. 4 by 4 by 2. Okay, 4 by 4 by 2. And block that. Oh, you need a hopper. Where's a hopper? Right here. That. That, right a block right here, a dropper go up, and redstone comparator, a revealer, and then repeater like that, boom, 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 and then like this. No block right here. Turn up the volume. Okay, that is done in a redstone contraption, and you need to put fuel in and make a block of coal for faster build, and then you're done. You need to fill up like this. Okay, and then like this, you're done. Place one block right there. Buy some another block. Oh, turn out the roller. Much you guys say it's so loud. So I just turn off the volume like this. And then a trapdoor, a lever, then you need to put trapdoor like this, right? Nope. You go to the other side, put trapdoor like this. What the? Okay, like that. Broke it. Trapdoor like this, like so. One trapdoor like this. Okay, you need to put like this. One there, and finally the best show is painting. Nope. How can we play the painting? Oh well. You need to put one like this to make a painting. This, no, not. This is my favorite. And then trapdoor. Open. Inside. No! Why? Okay. I just leave. Oh, I have one idea. Where is it? That. Nope. Like this. Just like so. Fast. Yeah. And then we done. Today I'm sick, so sorry about those coughing, those sneaking. So sorry. And then you need to this, and this. Wait a minute. Oh, he just laying down there. Okay. Turn down the volume. And then, oh, I have a cool idea. Okay. Find the button. No. The lever. Not like that. You need like this. Not like that. This? Yeah. Turn around like this. Throw your foot in there. What the? Throw your foot in there. Throw your foot in there. See, it's landing in the harbor. Okay, I need to fix it. You need a harbor. That, and then see? But man, so sorry about the microwave. It just worked. So it just worked for PC. So goodbye.